E-commerce and digital marketing MCQs Part 2. The most difficult task for merchant in multi-channel funnels is dash. Option A, content management. Option B, mouth-to-mouth development. Option C, inheritance. Option D, personal consumption. The correct answer is option A, content management. A banking website today serves sales, and that is why many bank has moved the responsibility from the portal from the marketing to dash. Option A, banking sector. Option B, cloud services. Option C, digital department. Option D, search engine. The correct answer is option C, digital departments. Nowadays, a customer shopping journey is dash. Option A, linear. Option B, non-linear. Option C, parallel. Option C, distribute in ratio. Correct answer is option B, non-linear. The main operation of financial service can be sent to the cloud and dash. Option A, non-automated service. Option B, hand-operated service. Option C, unnatural services. Option D, automated services. The correct answer is option D, automated services. Lower prices offered by vendor operating with less margin than a bricks and dash store. Option A, proter. Option B, motor. Option C, rotor. Option D, loader. The correct answer is option B, motor. Great variety and inventories are offered by dash. Option A, online store. Option B, offline store. Option C, motor. Option D, street shop. The correct answer is option A, online store. Dash that compare and recommend product. Option A, PC workstation. Option B, transaction server. Option C, comparison engine. Option D, router. Correct answer is option C, comparison engine. Dash not only are consumer finding it quick and more convenient to shop online, but they are also likely more comparison than ever. Option A, product display. Option B, product variety. Option C, product dispatch. Option C, D, product comparison. The correct answer is option D, product comparisons. Dash contain the information about the product sold or service being offered. Option A, catalog. Option B, shopping cart. Option C, payment mode. Option D, search engine. The correct answer is option A, catalog. Dash allow the user to browse through what is being offered and allow him to choose and purchase from the list. Option A, catalog. Option B, shopping cart. Option C, payment mode. Option D, search engine. The correct answer is option A, catalog. The dash might carry the picture of the product, details of the product and cost of the product. Option A, catalog. Option B, shopping cart. Option C, payment mode. Option D, search engine. The correct answer is option B, shopping cart. A dash basket that we carry to the market to purchase good. Option A, catalog. Option B, shopping cart. Option C, payment mode. Option D, search engine. The correct answer is option B, shopping cart. A dash tool in which we keep adding up items that we wish to purchase. Option A, catalog. Option B, payment mode. Option C, search engine. Option D, shopping cart. The correct answer is option A, catalog. Dash deals with payment for the product purchase. Option A, catalog. Option B, payment board. Option C, search engine. Option D, shopping cart. The correct answer is option B, payment mode. The dash would be wire-to-wire bank transaction. Option A, catalog. Option B, payment mode. Option C, search engine. Option D, shopping cart. Correct answer is option B, payment mode. Following are the advantage of e-commerce for customer except option A, time saving. Option B, easy to compare. Option C, privacy and security. Option D, economic benefit. The correct answer is option C, privacy and security. Following are the advantages of e-commerce for business except option A increase customer base, option B round the clock availability, option C expand business reach, option D security issues. The correct answer is option D security issues. Following are the disadvantage of e-commerce for customer except option A privacy and security, option B quality, option C economic benefit, option D hidden cost. The correct answer is option C economic benefit. Following are the disadvantage of e-commerce for business except option A security issues, option B credit card issue, option C rise in sale, option D hidden cost. Correct answer is option C rise in sale. Dash environment which affect business decision making such as individual actions of firms and customer. Option A macroeconomic, option B macroeconomic, option C Indian economy, option D world economy. The correct answer is option B macroeconomics. Dash influence are broad economic factor that either directly or indirectly affect the entire economy. Option A macroeconomic, option B macroeconomic, option C Indian economic, option D world economic. The correct answer is option A macroeconomics. Following are the legal and regulatory factor except option A tax, option B politics, option C education, option D economic policy. The correct answer is option C education. Following are the social culture factor except option A myth, option B purchasing power, option C politics, option D education. The correct answer is option C politics. Factor responsible for growth of e-commerce except option A adoption of multi-channel investment, option B unique or accommodations product, option C remarketing, option D social organization. The correct answer is option D social organization. E-commerce creativity emerged from multiple touches to produce continued interest in the product is known as dash. Option A adoption of multi-channel investment, option B unique or commoditized product, option C remarketing, option D social organization. The correct answer is option C remarketing.